everyone in 3N. Today I am going to talk about the Amazon rainforest. And there are 3 things I'm going to tell you about the Amazon rainforest. Number 1, and this first question has been asked a lot of times, and number 1 is it safe to visit the Amazon rainforest? Well, the answer is the Amazon's natural beauty and immense biodiversity attract tourists in search of exotic adventures. However, this region can be just as dangerous as it is beautiful. Visitors should know about the primary dangers of the Amazon rainforest prior to travel in order to plan a safer trip. Number 2, animals. The Amazon rainforest is filled with many animals you might not know. Some are deadly with poison and some that can bite, whereas others are harmless. In fact, some can even be smaller than your thumb and some even bigger than yourself. Isn't that amazing? Number 3, for our last and final point, the weather. The Amazon has been known for its perilous reputation. It's also been known for the burning and boiling hot sun. And so if you go to the Amazon and it's sunny, I suppose that you bring sun cream so that the sun doesn't hurt you. But if it is rainy and it floods, drink all the water immediately or climb up a tree. That's the end of my video, guys. I hope you learned a lot about the Amazon. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and like and share to this video. Bye! Guys, I know I said share, but don't share. Don't tell anybody about this. I like cheeseburgers.